Hello, testing, testing, hello. Have I been on this page the entire time? I assumed I was on my stream start end page. Oh well, it's fine. Hello. How you guys doing? We are doing more Leetcode Microsoft questions today. Let me get that Microsoft page up. There we go. Okay. This is my brother's account, by the way, not my account. So the ones marked done, I've not necessarily done. Again, we're skipping the hard questions for now. Merge intervals we've done, LRU cache we've done. Meeting rooms 2, that's what I want to do. Leetcode 253. Okay. Leetcode 253. It's a premium only. Alright, back to Edge we go. Meeting rooms 2. Given an array of meeting time intervals where interval I is equal to start I, end I, return the minimum number of conference rooms required. Oh, holy shizzle, how do we do this? Intervals, I mean, what's the human way of doing this? 0, 30. Okay, so that's in a room right now. 5, 10. We're like, okay, the last meeting ends at 30. That's still going, so we need to open up another room. 15, 20, we can... Excuse me. Throat's so itchy, I need to hydrate. Maybe it's because allergies too. Let me close the window. $15.20. Okay. So we see that 5:10 is currently the meeting at 5:10 already ended, so that room is now open. Okay, here's what I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking we use a priority queue where things are sorted by the end times. So the meeting that's most likely going to end the soonest will always be at the top. So whenever we have a new room, we look at the meeting that ends the soonest. And if it's already ended, we pop that meeting out and replace it with my meeting, and else we add my meeting in. So yeah, the max size of the priority queue is is the number of rooms I need. Okay, let's go. We need a priority queue. It's equal to PQ is equal to new priority queue, where we sort by comparator.comparing. We take in a array, right? Array 1, where 1 is the end time. Okay. Semicolon. Return -1. Okay, sanity check. Let's make sure we actually made a priority queue correctly. And we did not. Array required but object found. No. Why? Oh. We can store... Priority queues can store anything, right? So we can store an array here. Very nice. Okay. Or interval. And man, I'm starting to really like priority queues. You can store anything inside. Don't need to convert a array to a list, int interval, what? In intervals. Excuse me. Okay, there's several cases, right? If the priority queue is empty, that means we have no meetings behind us. If the queue dot is empty, pq dot add. It's add, right? Yeah, it's probably add. Add and pull. The interval. We need to keep track of our min rooms somehow. Int rooms needed is equal to 0. Rooms needed is equal to math.min rooms needed. It will be the min of my current rooms needed plus pq.size. I think that's how you do size in priority queues. Java priority queue size. Yeah, it's that. Okay, what if I can replace the previous room? Else if pq.peak and then 0? No, 1. That's the end time. If the end time is maybe less than? Yeah, less than my start time. Okay. Interval 0, my start time. Let's see their end time. So like, for example, this end time is less than my start time, meaning I can use previous room. Then what I would do is pop that room, RDQ.pop, no, pull EQ.add interval, and there's no need to update my max room sizes because it's the same. We remove 1, add 1, and then else we add the thing into the priority queue. EQ.add interval. And we update our rooms needed. You know, these two logics here are exactly the same, but I think I'll keep it like this for now for clarity. Can't replace previous room. And at the end you return rooms needed. Also for debugging purposes, you know, I'm just gonna run it for now. Don't return -1. Hey, yay, wrong answer. Output is 0. Oh, math.max. Run. Case 1 works, case 2 doesn't. Expected 1. How is this 1? Okay, so I do 2. Oh, because this one can be before. I see. Oh, okay. They're not necessarily in order. I could have scheduled one before. Oh, that's tricky. Should I sort them? Maybe it's useful to sort them. Maybe I should sort them, yeah. Intervals, wait. Arrays.sort intervals with a comparator dot comparing. Okay, we are comparing arrays, right? We will sort them based on what? Their starting times? Sure, starting times. So everybody is guaranteed to be bigger. Their start times are guaranteed to be bigger than their previous. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. Array 0. Let's sort them by starting times. System.out.println arrays.toString. Is this going to print out in a very pretty way, or do I have to print each array separately? Hey, look, it worked. Let's try submitting this. No. Output 2, expected 1. 1 to 13, 13 to 15. You know what? We're really close. So this is less than or equal to then? Okay, because apparently they can overlap. Let's use this test case, run it. Very nice. Oh my god. Can't believe that worked. Wait, I was expecting this problem to be so hard. Wow. Submit again without the print statement. 19%. I'll take it. That's really good. I mean, for my standards. I'm still gonna write this problem down though for a review later, because it did. The first time I looked at it, I definitely couldn't figure out how to solve it. What problem is this? Problem 253. I also want to look at the editorial for the actual solution. Sorry, we're having a little trouble. Okay, they're explaining the problem. Priority queues. Increasing order of their start times. And this is the order we'll follow. Okay, this is Java. My seed keeps sinking into the ground. Return 0, min heap, comparator. So this is based on, what is this based on? They're storing an integer. Sort the intervals by start time. Arrays.sort, okay. That makes sense. Oh, they're sorting by end times. That's exactly what I did. Yeah. So the heap will always contain, at the top, the meeting most likely to end. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. They just return allocator.size. So this is n log n. That makes sense. Chronological ordering. Is this better? Still n log n. Okay. It's about the same speed, right? It looks more complicated too. Oh, those pictures make my brain hurt. Separate out the start times and end times in their separate ways. Sort them separately. Okay. Can I really just... Do I actually not need the rooms needed? Because I don't pop out rooms that end necessarily right, only when I need to replace them. Rooms needed, so don't do that anymore, don't do that. Just return pq.size. Is that gonna work? Dang. Dang, well, it's about the same. Okay, I'll take the W. This is cool. Meeting rooms to merge strings alternately. What does that mean? 1768. Leetcode 1768. Cool, I have not done this. Okay, give me a moment while I sign in. There we go. Okay. Let's make sure we're in Java. You are given two strings, word1 and word2. Merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order, starting with word1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merged string. Return the merged string. So word1 ABC, word2 PQR, APPTCR, okay. Okay. This doesn't seem that bad. Okay, let's go. Maybe we'll have let's have a string builder to merge the result into. Yeah, it's not that bad. Just 2 pointers, alternate. If one of them is out of bounds, make it nothing, I guess. Yeah. Or, yeah. 2 pointers, 1 loop. Condition is, well, both of them are in bounds, and at the end, add whatever's left. Yes. Okay. String builder SB is equal to new string builder, because appending is O one time. Or int I is equal to 0. I is less than word1, or math.min word1 dot length, comma word2 dot length. These all need parentheses. I++. Very nice. Okay, sb dot append word1 dot character at I. Same for word2, sp.append word2.character at I. Okay, let's do a sanity check. Let's not worry about the leftovers first. Let's make sure that our main loop works. So we'll return sp.toString where, oh, semicolon, not comma. Also, I need a new chair. My chair keeps sinking. Okay, case 1, very good, that's nice. Case 2, that's where there's extras. We're missing the RS. Case 3, it's also the extras. Okay, very nice. If wait, we can just straight up append sp.append. Can we put a string inside here? Like word1 dot substring. Oh, we need to keep track of int I is equal to 0. This can be nothing, right? I think that's how Java works. Let's do another sanity check. Nice, okay. I'm thinking we can append both substrings. Worst case, it's nothing, right? How do substrings work again? Is it I? sp.append word2.substring starting at I to the last. Is that how it works? Let's go. Woo. Submit that thing. Let's go. This one pretty fast. Alright, let's take a short break. You guys want to hear a funny story about a recruiter that I've been talking to? Alright. I probably shouldn't say their name or I might get in trouble, but a recruiter reached out to me for a AI medicine-ish startup for preventative care. Yeah. Maybe I'll change the product as I'm talking about it, but anyways, I got on the call with the recruiter and they were like, all right, our company has 3 products because they're a startup, right? One of our product is a AI chatbot that gives medical advice for preventative care. Think ChatGPT, but medical advice. Second product is our supplements, which is like a subscription plan for preventative care. The third product is a blood test that, patients can see how their health is, make decisions. And then as I asked further, like what does the chatbot do specifically? And they're like, oh, the chatbot can give you advice on exercises, foods, supplements. They said a lot of reasons, but they also said supplements. And then like, okay, what does the blood test do? What can they do with the blood test? They're like, oh, you can make decisions like what supplements to take. It's like, wait a minute. You guys sell supplements? The chatbot the chatbot tells customers what supplements to take? The blood tests tell customers what supplements to take? Wait a minute. Those 2 products are all funneling customers to your supplements business. Wait a minute. How do I know whether to trust those products then? Well, I didn't say that exactly, but I think the way I worded it was, oh, I see a really interesting business model where these two products are funneling customers into your own supplements business. And he was like, yeah, you're right. Well, he didn't exactly say that. He was like, yeah, yeah, so we have to be really careful about how we present these things to, you know, keep our customers' trust. Because, you know, I mean, yeah, it is kind of weird, right? If you know that the owner of the chatbot that you're working with, like the medical chatbot that you're working with, is also trying to sell supplements, doesn't that kind of worry you about what kind of medical advice it gives you? And also, if the company that's running your blood work is also trying to sell you supplements, it's like, should I actually trust them when they tell me I need to take certain supplements? But yeah, I hope they keep these 3 products honest though. It could be some good products if they actually work. But hopefully corporate greed doesn't make their products sway to the dark side, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah, my recruiter interview with them was supposed to be yesterday. They told me, wait, not recruiter interview. My technical interview with them was supposed to be yesterday. It was supposed to be a systems design interview. They told me via word of mouth it was going to be 2 p.m. yesterday. But then when I checked yesterday, I realized that they never sent me an email to confirm it. It was solely word by mouth in the recruiter call. And then they never called me. I don't know what's up with that. Are they mad at me that I pointed out their business model? Well, I mean, I still wouldn't mind working with them. Their business model is low-key kind of funny. A little bit questionable, but hey, it's a funny business model, so I'm willing to work with them. Call me. If you're watching, call me. Maybe I can help keep things in check in there, who knows. All right, next question. Okay, back to Microsoft questions. Merge strings alternatively, longest common prefix. Have I done this before? Looks like my brother attempted it and he couldn't do it. Longest common prefix. Is it really that hard? Okay, Leetcode 14. Leetcode 14. Okay, I've never attempted this apparently. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there's no common prefix, return an empty string. Flower, flow, flight, flow. Common prefix string. So it has to start from the beginning. Stress, dog, race car, car. Huh, this doesn't look that bad. So it has to start from the beginning. So I can do like, I don't know, a int storing my current index and keep incrementing it if every single one is the same. I check every string. I mean, I don't see any other more efficient way of doing it. So I have an int variable to store my current index. For each index, I see if they're the same for all strings, and I stop if I see that they're different. And then I return substring 0 to the variable. Yeah, that seems like a plan. Okay. Int I is equal to 0 or no need to instantiate the variable anymore. While I is less than, how do we do this? Strings, maybe the first one? Yeah, the prefix can't be longer than the length of the first string, right? Dot length I++. And then for every single, oh my goodness, is this actually the most efficient? For every single string s in strs, if, maybe we should store the current string, so char, like the current characters. Current char is equal to strs 0 dot character at I. Okay, if s dot character at I is not equal to current character, we also need to make sure it's inbounds, right? If s dot length is, I don't know, greater than or equal to I, and is this how you do it? Or we can do if I is less than s dot length. Yeah, that's more clear. And s dot character at I is not equal to character. There should be an or, right? I'm planning to break from here. Break from the loop. If I is less than s dot length, or s dot character at I is not equal to current character. Okay. And then you return what? strs, first one, dot substring 0 to I. I'm so paranoid. I feel like I made a mistake somewhere. Output is flower. That's not good. Is this not how you break from a... Wait. Should we do a variable like should break? Boolean should stop is equal to false. If should stop. Okay, if not should stop. Should stop is equal to true. Now my output is F. Am I always stopping one less before? That's not good. Why am I stopping here? Okay, time to debug. System.out.println current char plus current char let's print out our current string that we're looking at. S. And then let's check when we're breaking. If I is less than s dot length, or wait, if I is greater than or equal to s dot length minus 1, that's the stopping condition. System.out.println Should we just return here? I feel like we can just return. Breaking. We're returning flow. Okay, here. Current character is L, O. Flower, and then we're breaking here. And then we're returning. Oh, we still go one more, right? Because we do I++. I see. Can't we just do a return statement here, actually? Return substring this. So no need to break. Oh. We'll do returning early. No need for this. Oh, should stop doesn't exist anymore. Cool. Very nice. I hope that this is the way they're expecting us to do it. Otherwise, I have no idea what else to do. Submit. A. Oh, if it's just one character. Okay. A and then A. Early return. Greater than. Greater than or equal to, oh. Is it up by 1 again? Very nice. Please work. Let's go. Okay, let's remove all the print statements. I don't know, I feel like this one's kind of tricky too. Submit again without those print statements. 72%, let's go. I will take it, boys. Alright. Should I just call it a day today? We did 3 problems. You know what? I'll call it a day. Thank you to everyone who's watching right now. Or if you're watching the VOD, I appreciate. Oh, also, Chat versus Hip Hamster is coming out soon. I had a YouTuber coding battle with Hip Hamster 2 days ago? Yeah, 2 days ago. Watch out for that. I'll try to get better at editing. Right, bye. See you tomorrow.